Okay, F1. This week we're going to look at place value and place value up to 5 digits. Now it's not that much different from 3 digits or 4 digits. It's just adding another column, and that's the 10,000 column. Quick review. First of all, we start with the ones family. Units, tens, hundreds. Okay, they're all in the one lot of 100 or 4 lots of 100, tens, and units. We then now move into the thousands family, and you'll notice that now I haven't put all of these in here. I'm wondering if you know which one this one in here is. You'll notice that they're very similar to the ones family. We have units, we have tens, and have you worked it out yet? Yeah, that's right. Hundreds would be the next one, except we don't just call them 100 ones or 10 ones or 1 ones. We call them 100,000 or 10,000 or just 1,000. Okay, quick review here. I'm just going to write out a number into our place value columns, and then we'll have a look at the different forms of writing numbers and pulling them apart. Okay, so our first number, let's see, we'll make it 6, 4. I've got to put that comma in there. 6, 4, 9, 1, and 3. Okay, so what are we talking about here? Well, let's have a look. We've got 3 units. If I pull that back up here, we've got 3 of these basically. Here we've got 1 lot of 10, which is just one of these sticks. Okay, 1 lot of 10. Here we've got 9 lots of hundreds, and in our base 10, that would be 9 of these base 10 flats. Moving into the thousands family, we have 4,000. That would be 4 of these base 10 cubes. Now here's where it gets interesting, because 1 lot of 10,000 would be 10 of these. Okay, so 1 lot of 10,000 would be 10 of these. But I've got 6 lots of 10,000. Can anyone tell me how many of these cubes I need to put down here to make the 6 lots of 10,000? That's right. I would need 60 of them. And clearly, that's not going to happen. Okay, let's write this in a different way. So we have the number 64,913. Notice we say our thousands differently to what we'd say in the ones family. Okay, so when we're in the thousands family, we just read this as though it's a normal number, 64. 64,000 and then 913, and you're all experienced with these numbers. We must have the comma in here, and that separates the thousands family and the ones family and makes it easier for us to read. Now, let's pull them apart a little bit more. So let's have a look at what 6 lots of 10,000 is. Well, 6 lots of 10 is 60. So if I put a 6 in here and then filled out these with zeros, okay, that's what this column represents. 60 lots of 10,000, or sorry, 6 lots of 10,000, which is 60,000. If I then go down into the thousands column and say, well, we've got 4 thousands, I'll put my 4 there, put my comma, and fill out the rest with zeros. Okay, so now I've got 4 lots of 1,000, and that says 4,000. Come down here into the hundreds, I have 9 lots of 100, so I put 9 there and fill out the rest with zeros. Okay, running out of colours, aren't I? Let's have a light green. Okay, tens column, I've only got 1 lot of 10. So that's pretty straightforward. I put the 1 there and fill it out. And then, lucky last, we have the ones column. What color will we give that one? We'll give it a pink. Okay. And all that is, there's a 3 in that column, and that's all we're looking at. So we can see this is our expanded form. 60,000. We could 4,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. And we could write it this way. So we could say 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3. And that's our expanded form, okay, of that particular number, 64,913. Okay, the other way that we could write this number is in words. So what we need to think about is how many tens of thousands, how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. So writing this out in words would be how many thousands? We have 60. 64,000. Okay, remember when we say numbers up in the thousands column, we group them together. So 64,000, comma, 900. Okay, 900. And then we're grouping these two together, 13. Okay, so then we have the different forms of writing numbers. We have the numerical form, 64,913. We have the expanded form, 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3. And then we have the word form, 64,913. All right, guys, I'll leave you to it. There's plenty of activities to get stuck into.